Uninterruptible Power Supply System. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's North American electrical codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led training course explores UPS design, topologies, batteries, and grounding practices. It emphasizes how to keep systems reliable, safe, and ready during critical power disturbances. What you'll learn: students will learn UPS functions and types, components, sizing methods for UPS and battery banks, rectifiers and inverters, passive and active components, battery technologies, grounding and bonding, installation best practices, and maintenance checklists. The course also covers troubleshooting, HMI monitoring, and compliance with NEC and Canadian electrical code standards. This course combines technical explanations, schematics, and case studies to help students apply lessons directly to their facilities, improving reliability and reducing downtime. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical engineers, technicians, maintenance staff, facility managers, consulting engineers, and anyone responsible for UPS system design, operation, or maintenance. This course comes with a UPS System Training Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page generator and UPS handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Ensure continuous power for your critical operations. Register today for EFTI's UPS system training and gain the expertise to maintain reliable backup power systems.